Hey friends, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do some LOL decorations, and I want to thank Lofaris Backdrop company. They actually sent me these decorations for the balloon garlands and the LOL backdrops. I will have a link in the description with their site. They have a special discount just for you guys. Use the code Esther15. You can get 15% off your order, so make sure you check them out. We're going to go ahead and get started with blowing up some balloons. We're going to go ahead and make a balloon garland with all these balloons. This is the balloon strip, and as you can see, it has holes. You put the balloons in the big holes and you just slide it over to the small holes. It just locks it in place so the balloon won't pop out the balloon strip. And with the balloon garland, you pretty much, it creates its own look. I knew I just wanted to have one big long one to just have it go straight across the backdrop. So you just keep adding balloons in any order, any color scheme that you have. And here is the balloon garland once it's finished. We're gonna go ahead right now, we're gonna make a balloon flower, and you just have this flower clip and you lock it in place with the slits. And then you go ahead and put a balloon in the middle. And there you have our flower balloons. All right, friends, let's go. We're gonna get started and get our backdrop put up. I'm opening this for the first time from Lofaris, and I love it. It is absolutely beautiful. The colors are vibrant and bright. So make sure you check them out in the description box below. I'm just gonna go ahead and put this up with some tacks. Since we have our backdrop up, we're about to get ready to put up the balloon garland. I'm going to use some string and cut it down. You can just use ribbon. We're going to cut it down to several inches long, and then we're going to take some tape and we're going to tape it up in the middle of our backdrop. And we're going to get it taped up on both sides of the backdrop as well. And I like starting in the middle. We're just going to go ahead and wrap the string and pull it tight. And on one of the sides, if you have some extra balloon tape strip left, you can always just pull that to hold up your balloon garland and then just tack it to the wall. That also is another way you can hold it up. And then I'm going to add a couple balloons. I'm going to use some glue dots, put it on the balloons on either side of the balloons to fill in the gaps. Now we're gonna go ahead and hang up the happy birthday banner. This banner I absolutely love. I actually got this for Walmart for a few dollars. It has a perfect look and fringe to go with the LOL girls. So I'm just putting that up with some tacks. And then this is a balloon flower we made. What we're gonna do is just take some ribbon and just tie some ribbon behind it. And then you just take a tack and put it where you want to have it on the wall, and you simply just hang the ribbon over the tack and then you hang it. If you need to adjust it to turn it anyway, it's easy to adjust, and then it's easy to take down for cleanup as well. And we're gonna do the same thing to the other side. Add the other balloon flower. And here we have it, our LOL birthday party decorations. watching. Hit the subscribe button and the thumbs up button. Make sure you check out Lofaris Backdrop website and use that discount code and have a royal day.